Hello, this is a video tour of number 72 Grange Road, which is a period property, 4-bedroom mid-terrace house located close to Kings Heath High Street. Leading to the property, you can see that you have the foregarden area with the main entrance door. To the left there is a gated side entrance leading to the rear garden. The foregarden does comprise of a herringbone laid blue brick pathway leading to the front door. There is also a gravel laid foregarden with a feature centrepiece which is raised with the blue bricks. There is also a border planted with lavenders. Leading into the house there is a step up into the main entrance vestibule. Inside there is a ceiling light point, access to a meter cupboard, and ahead of that is the further door going through into the hallway. In the hallway there is a ceiling light point with the rose, there is a decorative archway, there are 2 column style radiators, and there are quarry tiled floors. Before I head into the reception rooms, I want to show the open understairs storage area. You'll note that there is an obscure window and space to store shoes and coats. The reception rooms do have both the doorways. The current owners do use the rear door, and the through space does comprise of a good sized bay window over the front of the property where there is fitted shutters. There is decorative coving and a picture rail, a ceiling light point with a rose, dado rail, an original style inset fireplace with a tile surround. There is also a tiled hearth. On the left of the fireplace there is a built-in storage cupboard, and there is a meter cupboard ahead as well. Now the sizes of this room and all of the rooms are available on our sales particulars. In the dining area there is also a ceiling light point with a rose, decorative coving, picture rail, the dado rail as well, and either side of the chimney breast there is fitted shelving. From the dining area there are French doors providing access to the side return of the property, which you can see is currently paved, and on the left is gated access to the shared side passageway. You'll see you've got the column radiator as well as a feature in the room. Now the house does offer a ground floor WC. That is located off the hallway. In the WC there is a high level obscure window, a ceiling light point, low level flush WC, corner hand basin, and the same quarry tiled floor leading from the entrance hall. At the rear of the property is a recently extended kitchen dining room. The kitchen area does comprise of a range of wall and base units, a double oven, Carillion work surfaces with an inset 1 bowl sink with a mixer tap over. On the right you'll notice that there is an integral drainer, there is an integrated dishwasher, concealed Worcester Bosch boiler, electric hob with a cooker hood over, and there is a feature pantry area where there is open shelving, work surface and drawers below. From the kitchen there is a sliding door providing access to a utility room. Inside there is a ceiling light point, shelving, heated towel rail, plumbing space for a washer and dryer, and the flooring is tiled. And in the dining living area part of the room you'll see that there is a feature sky lantern. There are 2 sets of bifold doors. You'll see on the left I've opened those for you. So in the summertime this space can be completely open to the garden. The rear of the room, which I'm currently stood in, does have underfloor heating, and you'll see that there is herringbone laid wood flooring. Now the first floor accommodation is accessed from the entrance hall. You can see that the staircase does lead round and up to the first floor. On the first floor landing there is a window to the side. There are 2 ceiling light points, and you do have access to bedrooms 1 to 3, the bathroom and the separate WC. Bedroom number 1 is located at the front of the house, and in here there are 2 windows, a ceiling light point with a rose. The radiator is located below the window. There is also access to an understairs storage cupboard. Bedroom number 2 has a window overlooking the rear garden. In here there is a ceiling light point, radiator, feature original style inset, fireplace sat on a quarry tiled hearth. There is a door to an understairs storage cupboard which can also be accessed from bedroom number 1. And you've got the view out into the garden. Bedroom number 3 is located at the rear of the property. Another double room in here, and there is a window to the rear, a ceiling light point, radiator, and there is also an original style fireplace as well. The bathroom does have an obscured window to the side. There are ceiling spotlights. On the left there is a pedestal hand basin, and on the right is a bath with a mixer tap over and also a Victorian style shower with an additional head. There is a heated towel rail below the window, and the flooring in here is tiled. WC has got an obscured window to the side, ceiling light point, tiled walls to half height, a low level flush WC and tiled floor. The access to the 4th bedroom is located on the right. You'll see that the staircase does lead up to the room. Original to the house, the room does have a dormer window to the front of the property. There is a ceiling light point, a radiator. The room is almost square, and there is a feature original fireplace. So you've got the cast iron inset and further quarry tiles on the hearth. The rear garden can be accessed via the dining kitchen with the bifold doors on the left and also to the rear. There is also access into the garden via the gated side passageway and from the French doors from the through lounge. You'll see that there is a paved pathway leading to a seating area. Ahead is a lawn with borders to both the left and the right hand side. And at the rear of the garden there is a further paved seating area with a raised border to the rear, and there is a shed. Now that does conclude the video tour for the house. If you are interested in arranging a viewing, please call the office on the number provided and we will look forward to seeing you soon.